Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Syed Rizwan Abbas. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Biological Sciences, Khartoum International University, Hunza campus. I did PhD in molecular genetics. My PhD was split from Pakistan and United States. Most of my research I have done in Pakistan. And split program for HEC program which I got from Higher Education Commission for the 6 month I went to USA for the further research of my PhD. At USA I done my research on QTL mapping and bulk segregating analysis. I have been used over there like Lycor gels, high efficiency gels and such type of many latest equipments I have been used at United States. So after this, I came back in Pakistan and in 2017, I joined Khartoum International University as an assistant professor. So later on, I started my next journey at Hunza campus. Hunza campus is a very beautiful place in the world, a very beautiful campus which rich in a beautiful mountains, glaciers and river and a beautiful landscape over there. So my university, Khartoum International University, is very rich in natural resources because Gilgit-Baltistan is highly rich in natural resources like the medicinal plants and many more. Because my background based on plant sciences, that's why my whole study is consist on medicinal plants and its significance. So the Khartoum International University, especially the my department and our students who are working on these directions which are very rich in natural resources, and we are working on medicinal plants and its exploration. National University of Singapore is one of the best university in the world and ranked at 11. So after my research and after my career when I joined Khartoum International University, so I came to know I required more knowledge, latest knowledge. Only I have the solution about postdoc. So I should hunt a postdoc and go abroad and to hunt new latest techniques or research in my field. So I came to know a best opportunity about Higher Education Commission. They announced scholarships for the postdoc, especially for the faculties. I was delighted. So this is the best opportunity for me at this time. And for this opportunity, I should require a acceptance letter from top 200 universities. But I was thinking I should try to hunt best acceptance letter from the best universities in the world. So I sent email from the top 10 universities toward the top 10 universities to hunt the acceptance letter from the best professors. For this, first I searched the faculties of all the universities of top 10, 12 in the world about the faculties and their projects and what the projects they are working on, how much they having the relevancy with my interest which I wanna do postdoc. So finally I got many faculties who are working on structure-based drug designing and ligand-based drug designing. So finally I got acceptance letter from Young Darwin National University of Singapore. Young Darwin was working on structure-based drug designing, especially against dengue virus. So this was the best opportunity for me. I searched all its projects, its work, its publications, latest publications, which he published recently. Professor Young Darwin is one of the best professors, especially he has best command on drug discovery, especially on dengue virus or viral infections. He has a good command on NMR technology, protein synthesis, on qPCR and many more. So this was the best time for me for a postdoc, and I am very much delighted and thankful to Higher Education Commission for providing such type of opportunity. Pakistan is basically having tropical and subtropical areas. So the area of the world which are the tropical and subtropical, they are much more favorable for the mosquito reproduction. So here in Pakistan, mostly like we came to know a lot of news is regarding to dengue virus through infection at Lahore, Peshawar, and such type of different cities of the Pakistan. They are much more affected by the dengue virus. The reason, because these areas fall in tropical and subtropical region of the world, and here the rainfall is over there, and that's why it's a huge problem. So my project task was how to cope up, how to make the suitable therapy of dengue virus, how to stop the infections of dengue virus, especially in our Pakistan. And regarding to this one, the tropical and subtropical area of Pakistan seem like that Singapore is a tropical and subtropical region of the world, and the strength and the propagation of production of mosquitoes in Singapore is same like that. So Singapore is facing seem like dengue viral infections too much. That's why the scientists who are working on how to make a sure therapy of dengue virus, they having the projects, they having the lines, they are huge projects, and they having working on a international level with equipped labs. That's why I made a best collaborations with the scientists of National University of Singapore, because the Singapore people, they are suffering from the dengue virus infections. That's why my projects having a huge impact on Pakistan and on Pakistan population. If we work on the therapy of dengue virus, and if we will get success to develop any suitable drug or find out a screen any bioactive molecule, it may be a huge success, and we can contribute a bulk of successes, and we can make a good way forward in the research and make sure that like a human being a beneficial task if we develop any type of bioactive molecule, any screen of bioactive molecule, if we develop any drug for the viral infections. This was my project, and is my project having the significance, directly having impact on Pakistan. Later on we having a lot of news regarding to this one, how to cope up, how make sure the therapy, because our governments, our people, they are suffering from, and near about whole population of Pakistan, they are suffering from directly or indirectly. So this project regarding to the dengue viral infections, for the therapy of dengue viral infections, this is much more significant in Pakistan. For future research findings, I have a best plan, because I am working in Gilgit-Baltistan. Look, the area is very beautiful, and the area of Gilgit-Baltistan is very much rich in medicinal plant propagation. A lot of varieties and species of medicinal plants are present or grow over here, because my postdoc research was on dengue virus and viral infection drug designing. It was basically structural based drug designing by using synthetic chemicals. My point of view is, in a future plan, so I will focus on medicinal plants, because first I will collect data regarding to medicinal plants which having viral infections therapy, because that area is very rich in like ethnovertical studies, the people which are very rich, having good knowledge regarding to medicinal plant research. So it's easy to me how to collect the data. It's very easy, because I'm working over here. I have a bulk of students on different pockets of this Gilgit-Baltistan. So this is my point. And after the collection of medicinal plants data, and finally I will screen out the compounds with these medicinal plants carries. So according to Lipinski rule of 5, according to the drug rule, I will screen best compounds which having the capability, which having the which are eligible for the therapy of viral infections. So all the techniques which I have been used at National University of Singapore, but I used only synthetic chemicals. But here it's a good opportunity for me to promote the ethnovertical studies and the medicinal plants and its significance by using these structure-based drug designing as well as ligand-based drug designing. So I will use all these both techniques and medicinal plants, and I have a plan for the furthermore by using the wet labs techniques which I have been applied over here at National University of Singapore, like qPCR. By using qPCR, this is one of the best. By the applying of qPCR, directly we apply on the effective proteins and the bacterial molecules I can over here. So this is my future findings. I will design the projects on and I can promote the strength of the medicinal plants over here of Gilgit-Baltistan, and I can find out the best results for the viral infections by using these techniques which I have done over here. So in other plan which I have to develop the research products with the collaborations of all over the world. Nowadays this is one of the best opportunity which we have, like the CPAC opportunity is one of the best. Because why is the best opportunity? The Chinese, they having Chinese herbal medicine structure, they build a big databases and they are working on medicinal plants, and we have little bit same flora and fauna like these areas of Gilgit-Baltistan and same like the China. So we have near about common medicinal plants, but the China, they promoted too much and they have done too much research. But the area where I am living over here is until unexplored. It's required the explorations and high qualified research is required over here. So I will build, this is my plan, I will build a best collaborations with the Chinese like universities, Chinese professors, and I will get the help, I will build the projects on, because it's the best way to explore the area which I have and which having a reach of medicinal plants to promote the significance of medicinal plants of Gilgit-Baltistan.